more breaking updates coming in. 2 days after the Supreme Court verdict, the AIMPLB is considering challenging the top court verdict. Remember, the Supreme Court bench had made it clear that the law for seeking maintenance applies to all married women, irrespective of their religion. Let's go across to Bhavtosh with the details. Bhavtosh, do we have details? Before I come to you, let's listen in to this reaction.
As far as the decision of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court is concerned regarding the maintenance of the Muslim women, our point of view is that the legal committee will study the judgment in detail, and after the report of our legal committee, we will be in a position to express our point of view. And as far as the constitution of our country is concerned, you all know that the constitution has given full right to each and every citizen to follow and practice and propagate religion of your choice. And as per the constitution, all communities have full right to follow the family laws as per their respective personal laws.
So the All India Muslim Personal Law Board is likely to approach the Supreme Court. My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adib, the IMPLB is considering challenging the Supreme Court verdict at a time when people across the country have hailed it as a landmark verdict. What are the details of what the IMPLB is going to say against the verdict?
Well, Pratibha, see, for this, they have convened a meeting in Delhi on Sunday, and all the senior members of All India Muslim Personal Law Board will be meeting in Delhi. They will be discussing this matter with the legal committee. Since the Supreme Court has passed this judgment, all the legal committees of All India Muslim Personal Law Board, they are discussing about this matter, and they are saying that we are not very happy with this verdict, as according to the Personal Law Board, Personal Law of Islam, we are only obliged to pay the maintenance or the alimony for 3.5 months, which is the iddat period according to the personal law. And they are saying that if the woman is free after the 3 months, why should a man pay for her maintenance? So this is what AIMPLB has been saying from time and again, and now they have convened a meeting in the national capital, and they will be discussing it with their legal committees. And after that, it is most likely that they will be challenging the verdict of Supreme Court.
Okay, all right. Talib, stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in with the BJP hitting back, saying this is the time to denounce the Talibani mindset. Listen into the BJP reaction.
कोर्ट का एक बड़ा डिसीजन आया था कि महिलाओं को, मुस्लिम महिलाओं को भी आपको एलिमनी देनी पड़ेगी डिवोर्स में। उसमें जमात उलेमा हिंद जो कह रही है कि वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट वापस जाए।
एक बात मैं बताऊं आपको, मैं उन तभी लोगों से कहना चाहूंगा कि मुस्लिम महिलाओं की तालीम पे, तरक्की पे तालिबानी ताला जड़ने की जो इनकी सोच है उससे बाहर निकले, और उसके साथ ही साथ वो जो तंग तालिबानी तंबू में कैद हैं ये, उससे भी बाहर निकले। क्योंकि जो सामाजिक सुधार हैं, जो संवैधानिक सुधार हैं, उस पर जो है वो आप कब तक वार करते रहोगे? कोई भी संवैधानिक या सामाजिक सुधार होगा तो आप सांप्रदायिक वार करना शुरू कर दोगे, तो ये मुझे लगता है ठीक नहीं।
Adib, thank you for joining us with those details on that.